The brand gifted me this air dry clay kit to try out. It has instructions. It goes step by step through each of the different things that you can create and tells you how to create them. And then it has instructions for tips on how to use the clay and then tips for afterwards, like to wash your hands and that it's not edible. Here's what all the different individual kits look like. So you can choose which one you want to create. It has all the different colors right here so you can easily make your creation. So I love that these are individually packaged and how organized everything is. Having these little compartments makes it really easy to keep all the colors separated, which is a nice touch. Okay, so here's what all the different sets look like. This is the birthday cake set, so it has lots of different desserts and cakes, ice creams, lollipops, just things that are super sweet. And so here's what all the kits look like. So it's hard to decide, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the donut one. This one just seems really cute. And then again, they have the pre-portioned sections. So whenever you open it up, it has skills at the top that this works on, like hands-on skills, colors, shapes, and imagination. It's also really nice that each of the containers has a sticker and the creation is on the label right here. So even if you have these all out of the packages and you have them stacked up on a shelf, you can easily see which kit this is. So you open it up and here's the clay. They also give you the tools included to build your creation, and they seem like they're a really high quality plastic and very easy to use for your building. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out the pink first and just see how it feels. So right away, this is the texture of a marshmallow or a really, really soft piece of foam is what it feels like. So you can see it's almost like bubble gum in a way. So very, very soft texture and easy to work with. It does not leave any kind of residue on my fingers. It honestly feels dry still. Usually with clay or Play-Doh, it kind of leaves a feeling on your fingers and this one doesn't. The clay does feel a little bit wet, but then whenever you put your fingers away, it dries super fast. So there's not any residue that stays on your fingers. But with that being said, the directions still do say to wash your hands after you use the clay. So it has a really nice texture, and I'm gonna go ahead and start building now. Okay, so here are the final creations. I love how easy this clay is to work with. The instructions were super helpful and made it really easy to follow along and complete the creation. The tools were super helpful, and these both took about 10 minutes to create. So about 5 minutes per creation. The clay was really easy to handle and easy to roll and squish and break off into pieces. So if you want your creations to harden, then you can just leave them out or use a hairdryer to help harden them, or you can take them apart and put them back in your containers and you can build something else the next time or build the same thing again. So I love that this clay is reusable, but if you wanted to save your design and let it harden, then you can definitely do that as well. So as you can see, we did not use all of the clay. There is some clay left over, which is great because you can use this for so many different things. Kids could really use their creativity and make letters, numbers, animals, or just open-ended creative play. And there's a good amount of clay left over. These are drying pretty fast. It's been about 10 minutes and they already are seeming to harden. So after you make your creation, if you do want to reuse it, I suggest putting it back in the container as fast as you can. This is a great activity for rainy days, quiet afternoons, play dates, sleepovers, or also a great family activity as well. I love that you get so many different options included. I love the step-by-step instructions, and the bright colors and fun designs are a great touch. So we'll definitely be making more of these creations in the future. It really was a great, fun, and simple activity.